Hi, in this video, we will learn how to create a mailing campaign. Once inside of the 360 NRS main dashboard, go ahead and click on Create Mailing Campaign, and then Create Basic Campaign. We'll see that in the left upper part, we can edit the campaign's name. We need to choose the answer to email and the sender address. Enter the sender names here. Then we need to add recipients. There are three ways in which we can add recipients. We can import a new database, add them manually, or use existing groups. This relates to previously uploaded databases and created groups. We're gonna import new recipients. From the Media Manager, you can choose whatever CSV files you have uploaded, or you can always upload a new file. I am gonna choose this database. First, you must check that the main column corresponds to that one with the email address. Then, we must check whether or not our database contains headers. In this case, as you can see, it does contain headers, so I'm gonna click on Yes. Remember that by ticking on this box, we confirm that this contact list has given their express consent to receive our communications. Once back on this screen, we can see that this particular database has 9 recipients. We can also see the total cost of the campaign so far. Let's put a main subject to our email. I want to add also a personalized field. If you scroll down, you get to the template editor. You can always start a new template, or you can use a template that you have uploaded or saved before. You can always drop new content, as in new blocks, and then give them new content. We can always program our campaigns to be sent in the future by clicking here and entering a new date and time, as well as an expiration date. In advanced options, we can add tags and change the sending mode. You can use Google Analytics with this option. It is always recommendable before sending any campaigns to send a test. You can save your campaign here to continue to edit it in the future. Or if it's ready, go ahead and validate the template. You must validate every template before we can send a campaign. That way, we can also make sure you're getting the best out of your email campaigns.